This 2019 Coachmen Spirit Ultra Lite 2963BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, Skylight, DVD player, awning, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, microwave, oven, water heater, auxiliary battery, TV, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Coachmen Spirit Ultra Lite 2963BH is 6,408 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.